Have you been bad this year? Because you know, if you get some coal, you've been bad. So take a piece of black and condition it a bit, but not too much because you don't really want it to be that soft. So you don't want any rounded edges at this point. So just keep on cutting off pieces around like you're peeling the skin. Make sure you have one side of your piece that's going to have more surface, a flat area to put on the little base. Put the chunk of coal in your hands and roll it around both palms about 10 times and check to see how it looks. We don't want to press too hard, we're just softening those edges. We don't want to squish it back into a ball. We just want our edges to be a little softer. Now I want to put the wire in the top so we can hang it on the tree. You don't have to do that if you're going to just put it into a stocking. You can just leave it like that or have it as decoration lying on the counter or something. Back together and smooth it out so that it's well in there. It's not going to fall out. I use my tool here. Flatten that out. Skewer. Next I'm going to decide where I'm going to put the mouth. I like doing the mouth first before I do the eyes. Be a happy little coal. You could make a sad little coal. Coal that's not happy. I like a little happy coal. He doesn't know that he's not a great gift. He should be a nice gift. Keep him nice and toasty warm. I'm going to use some of that pink to give him a nice little tongue. I don't need too big of a piece. Tiny little piece like that. Pop it in there. And I think I want to have a little tooth just for some extra something to look at. A little piece of white. Put it in there. Cheeks, I took some pink and I put a little bit of gray in it because I don't want it to be so bright pink compared to the black coal. Make a ball. Think about where I want the cheek. Push it out. Another ball. Good. And I've got these black seeds for the eyes, but as you can see, it doesn't really stand out that much. So I think I'm going to put a bit of gray dot on either side. I'm going to put the eyes. Keep it low on the gray circle. I like it like that. It looks like an eyelid. This is a really quick craft that you could give to anybody. This is a little funny joke. I like my little coal, but I think I want to put some eyebrows on it, and I put a little lip down here. Roll it in your fingers so that you have pointed edges, so it tapers out on either side. I'm going to bend it slightly, and I'm going to place it wherever I think the eyebrow goes. That's it, and I'm just going to pronounce that lower lip more. Add a little bow at the top here with fabric. I got some ribbon that I can put there just to make it a little cuter. Into the fireplace for you, Mr. Cole. I hope you enjoy that, and till the next time.